As it is generally known, the role of the media in any society is to inform, educate, and entertain the general public. This has facilitated public relations and the Corporate Affairs Department of the Eagle Crime Awareness and Prevention Initiative, ECAPI, led by its founder, Ambassador Adams Eniola Samuel, to organize a one-day exclusive training for members on investigative journalism, crime reporting, and news gathering in line with the provisional laws and guidelines provided by the Nigerian Union of Journalists, NUJ, following the ethics and basic principles of journalism such as objectivity, impartiality, public accountability, truth, accuracy, fairness, and equity, including the 5 W's and H in journalism.
Normally, we are crime reporters, and at the same time, our job is to educate the public. That is number one. And secondly, we report crimes to the law enforcement agencies of Nigeria, and we believe that it's good we have our own newspaper to meet the standard of our vision. The modality is that we want all our members to be trained in reporting crimes. We don't want them to be cut and paste members where they will copy from Facebook, copy from Instagram, and they post it on the public, especially to the law enforcement platform, because we have law enforcement platforms that carry a lot of heavy senior officers in this country, both being UDSS, police, civil defense, all agencies, they are on that platform.
In the same vein, participants were advised to avoid sensationalism in stories, slander, libel, and defamation of character while filing reports. Reacting to the one-day exclusive workshop or news gathering, members applauded ECAPI for bringing the initiative to the limelight as an eye-opener and exposure to practicing journalism.
I've gained the exposure of being a journalist, although we are told that does not crown us to be journalists, but is a stepping stone. Inviting our interest into journalism, we can report news where we get relevant news to the organization. I think with that, I'm good to go.
For like what I learned, first of all, as a news reporter, we report crime. We're not like the regular news reporters, and not like the normal journalist, but we report crime, associated news. That's what we stand for. And my take home today is that being a reporter on crime, I need to be apt, precise, and timely on the particular news I'm reporting, and not to be biased in all of the news we gather. That's basically what I'm going to take home with.
The chief editor of ECAPI, Mr. Frank, emphasized the purpose of training and retraining members to meet the global standard and level of proficiency while discharging their duties.
We are trying to build, a base, for the production of the newspaper. We want to train some of our members so that they can be able to help in the production of the newspaper, because some of them may not have practiced journalism. But what we did today is just to give them a basic knowledge, basic idea of what news writing is all about. It is not a complete course, journalism course, but it's intended to give them knowledge of what news writing is all about.
Today's meeting is one meeting that people who have the calling, people who have the urge, people who who are enthusiastic about being into the media space. It's a very encouraging program for them because the training is, you can see the training was very, very rich, and members that attended this meeting, they have benefited a lot. And are going to go out there as crime reporters to assist in gathering information, disseminating them, for the general benefit of the country.
In conclusion, ECAPI implored its members to always give credible information on intelligence gathering to assist security agencies in combating crime within the society. In Lagos, Jennifer Mosu for Newsbuster TV.